Are you interested in saving precious time when programming and publishing your blog and social media content? Meet aikontent, a brand new SaaS platform for social media automation that grows with your needs. It helps to boost engagement with your social audience by scheduling approved content in the allotted periods for all specified social channels. It integrates social media with drip advertising. Additionally, it uses evergreen content to constantly publish posts and promote your company's name, goods, and services to those in need. Like other platforms, aikontent allows you to publish right away or schedule posts for later. Nevertheless, it stands out from similar services because it can automate your social media posting using sophisticated machine learning and drip tactics. You can create social media photographs automatically to create more visual content and get more people to see your posts. Plus, you can use Zapier, Integrate Leap, or other no-code automation tools to generate banners from a spreadsheet or link your choice data source, such as Google Sheets. Additionally, aikontent scans your blog entries to find images and information that will be effective on your social media sites. It discovers hashtags that increase the visibility of your material. A drip campaign made up of the content runs for 12 months, so you can always go back and make any necessary changes to the campaign material. To increase traffic to your website, aikontent links back to each post and distributes it on social media. aikontent operates in 3 easy steps. First, connect the software to your social network accounts. The platform will then be able to extract posts or manually add content to distribute later when you import your blog and social media postings. Furthermore, aikontent tracks and evaluates your highest performing content and automatically publishes posts across your favorite social media channels. Also, with its highly efficient link shortener, aikontent.co, you can use analytics to monitor your top-performing content and subjects and gain insight into how your social media channels bring visitors to your website. aikontent also supports UTM tags. You will be able to create a library of your media assets so that you can use it to insert them into posts. And by using its Unsplash integration, you can upload and edit your photos or browse millions of publicly accessible stock images. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Automate your complete post set on social media and blogs using aikontent. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.